Word 2013, Unit G, create building blocks. When we design a piece of content that we really like and we want to use again in other documents, we can save it as a building block in one of our many word galleries. For example, we might want to save our company's mission statement or a list of staff names, so we're not continuously typing and formatting that information each time we use it in a document. So we can save an item as a building block using the Quick Parts command. Let's go ahead and save the QST logo, the Kenya Travel Information sidebar, and the climate heading and paragraph, as well as the footer, as building blocks so that we can easily include them in other reports. Now, I'm hopeful that I will be able to do this. I kind of walked through this exercise before I wanted to record it for you guys, so I might have to simply tell you some of these steps instead of showing you. We'll see. To get started, we're going to click the logo at the bottom of page 1 to select it, and here it is. And we'll go to Insert above the ribbon and our Quick Parts button in our text group. And choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Now, you're supposed to type QST logo in the name text box, click the description text box, and type QST logo in bottom left corner of tour report cover page, and then click OK. Well, thankfully it's giving me a do you want to redefine the building block entry. I'm going to say yes. You won't have to worry about that message. This is just an indication that I've already done this before. Next, let's come down to page 3 and select the edge of our brown sidebar. Again, we want to click our Quick Parts button and choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. And this time we could type Kenya Travel Info Sidebar. Again, I've already done this, so I'm expecting some kind of issue or error. We would click our gallery list arrow and go to text boxes. In addition, we can choose a new category. Now you're supposed to choose Create New Category. And that would give you the opportunity to name that new category Kenya. Now really, I already had Kenya as one of my options. But then click OK. I'm going to say yes, I want to redefine it again. By the way, if I want to go back and see if these items are there, I can go to Quick Parts. And for instance, there's my QST logo with the description that I gave it. If I go to my text box here and scroll, well, should I scroll down? Yeah, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, notice I have a special category named Kenya with my sidebar there available. Well, since we're on page 3, let's sit there for just a bit. We're out of the gallery. Let's select our climate heading and the paragraph that's attached. Perhaps I use this quite a bit in different documentation. I can go to my Quick Parts button and choose to save the selection to the Quick Parts gallery. And for name, I can type Kenya Climate Info in my name text box. I can change my category. Notice Kenya is really already one of mine. Just to walk through steps, I'll type this again. Kenya. OK. And click OK again. And yes, I'm going to say I want to redefine it. You should not see that message box. Now we've already verified that QST logo item was there. We saw both the logo and the description, or the title and the description. Let's come all the way down here to the bottom of page 2. I'm going to double click into my footer to activate or open up the footer area. Click my table move button, this little square here to the upper left corner, to select the table in the footer. And I'll click the footer button in the header and footer group on the header and footer tools design tab. And notice at the very bottom of this list, we also have a save selection to footer gallery. So just to walk through that step one more time, I'll type in tour report footer and click OK. Yes, I'll redefine it. Now just double click into the actual content of your document to make that active. Let's stop here.